Welcome, lovelies. Another house tour, one of the last ones. It's the empty house tour. Welcome, lovelies. Tomorrow is D-Day. We are moving into our beloved house. And Krista suggested one more last tour without furniture would be quite interesting. Few little changes that you might like to see. Not much changed in the attic, unless it is the paint. I can't remember where we left last time. Basically gonna leave this attic right now for storage. So for the next few days, there will be lots of stuff coming up here that we don't know what to do with. But one change that has happened is that we have a railing now, so nobody can fall off. And we have a railing to hold on to when we go downstairs. So let's go downstairs. Okay, so this is the back house. Of you that have followed us on the house tour, you know the entire interior of the house. And I don't think the floor was showing the last time. The painters put paper on. So this is a glue-down luxury vinyl, so it can take a beating and, at the same time, it looks really nice. Glenn built the shelves on Sunday. This is where all his files from his work, he's got cases and cases, because he has worked in this business many times. So lots of it in the office, but he wants the special ones that he uses a lot in this room. And then this is going to be my work room. I love this room, which I've told you many, many times. I don't think it was painted when we were here the last time. So this is Citron from Vero and Ball, and downpipe is the gray color. I love it. It's sunny, and yet it is kind of edgy, right? So I'm gonna have a desk here with my domestic sewing machine, industrial sewing machines, clothing rack for whatever, I don't know yet, and lots of space there for shelving units for all my little notions. All the doors have been redone beautifully, love it. Now we need in every room, we need a fire extinguisher. Holy moly, we have so many rooms, so there is still Sabatino, our trusted electrician, is still here, putting up all the fire extinguishers and putting all the outlets in. These guys have been working. They've been amazing. Okay, let's go. So lovelies, this is the laundry area, right? This is the rough wood that was here existing. We're still going to put a whitewash stain on it. I still want to see the wood, but just to clean it up a little. This is for all the laundry doodads. And then all the appliances were delivered the other day, so that's fantastic. Washer, dryer, all hooked up. This is the little jewel that everybody loves so much. I love it too. It's the guest bathroom, and this was like, oh my goodness, we were really gonna not even look at it. And then slowly we started, and now it's definitely the little jewel of the house. Have a peek. So this is the guest room, and as it has been talked about before, the guests that will be staying here will be looking at this unbelievable tree. I should really find out what it's called. It keeps its leaves all year round, and it's just one of the most precious trees in St. Catharines, and we live right next door to it. So this is all my art, and look, my whole closet is full. I didn't know I had that much. But that is all going to come in the next few weeks. Then the fun starts, right? When we can start decorating. And I'm really pleased with the floor. I thought in the beginning it would be too dark, but I really like it. And the paint colors too. So lovelies, I think the last time none of the lights were up. So these are all my treasures that I bought on Marketplace. And the staircase still has to be painted. The painters are coming back in a week. So we will live here, but they will just paint around us, and we're okay with that. And I have to show you my real amazing find from Marketplace. It's in my bedroom, our bedroom. I think it is so adorable, and I bought it, and I brought it home, and I thought Glenn would go, oh, no. No, he was excited. He loved it. He put it up. Actually, the electrician put it up, but it's too low. It needs to be raised about 5 inches. But I think it is so unique and different. It's like a real boudoir. And the color of the wall is called pen noir, so it's very French. So the movers are coming tomorrow to Glenn's house to move all his furniture. And then we have a day where we can, you know, kind of get our breath. And then on Friday, my container's being picked up and put on the curb here. And then we're going to empty my container. And then we have a house full of furniture that we can play with. So let me show you the amazing color of the vanities. I absolutely adore it. I can't think of the name of the yellow now, but I think it's beautiful. And Kristen loves the floor. Right, Kristen? Come and have a look at the shower towels because they're so beautiful. Look at when the light shines on it. It's almost like they're textured. They're not flat. And they are not actually. They have a tiny bit of hollow. So I chose the brass shower fixture because the black, I didn't think it would look good against the tile. I had to do a little bit of talking to Glenn about that because he couldn't understand that, but now he kind of likes it. So he tells me, okay. So the walk-in closet has been painted as, you know, the same color as the trim anyway. So slowly goods are accumulating to be put away. And yeah, we'll have fun doing that as well. Actually, it's been a move, and my move was very strenuous. This move, I kind of enjoy it because the end is near. And I feel happy and elated and very proud of what we did. So let's go downstairs and we'll show you what has been done. I just want to tell you what a great job the cleaning crew did. I have had a cleaning lady, Rachel, and she was fabulous, and she left me because she started a commercial cleaning business. And she's cleaning commercially now, but I begged her to come here for the house, and she loves what we did here, so she said, okay, I will make an exception. And she came today with 2 other girls, the 3 of them. They went through it like gangbusters. It was, of course, an unbelievable amount of construction dust, and it's still not completely you know, the way it should be, but good enough for us to move in. And then she's coming in 2 weeks to do a final clean and clean the outside windows because they did the inside windows. So what is new here are the cabinets, which are designed and manufactured in St. Catharines. Glenn and I designed them with the makers. And so obviously the living room. And I was going to talk about where the furniture is going to go. Well, I know that you need to create a circle. Cozy circle. You cannot have a chair there and here and there so that you have to yell at each other and you are commiserating. So I think maybe the couch here. I have two little cute little chairs here, and then 2 easy chairs here. Glenn has a huge tree that's going in the corner, a ficus, but it's huge. And then we have some accent tables and some standing lamps, right? And then, of course, a lot of art. The fireplace tiles have to be placed. And then also the mantle, which we have to put on. So while we are living here, there will be workers doing their trade. But, you know, we're okay with it. We're just happy to move in. Absolutely love this room and the colors. However, I made a change in the paint color. It was great because the painters are taking a break until a week from now. And we didn't buy all the paint at once. We just bought paint for, say, 2 rooms, the bedrooms, and we haven't bought the paint for all the cabinets. So I was going to go with the yellow of the windows and the baseboards for the cabinets, but I've changed my mind. I'm going to do it in a teal blue. I want a little bit of a pop, so that's going to be the pop for sure. And then this is the dining room / Glenn's office. So equally beautiful cabinets for his books, his workbooks, and files in the drawers. He's going to have a desk here with his printer. And then I changed my mind too on the cabinets here because they were similar, you know, a very pale color. But I'm going to do it in an aubergine or an eggplant color. And yeah, I can't wait to see that. Then, of course, we're going to paint the fireplace. As you know, the brick wall is going to stay. And let's go to the kitchen. It's so exciting. Oh, my goodness. So this is the pie floor that we put in. It's absolutely, it turned out way more exciting than we ever thought it would be. We stained it, then put in a varnish over top. and I just love it. The grain in the wood really came out. All the appliances are in, which is a thrilling. And we have now a wine fridge and a beautiful refrigerator and a stove and a dishwasher and everything. I love the counter. It's an artificial man-made material. I like it. It's simple, and I love the black taps and the black sink, and then all the black hardware too, right? So the kitchen cupboards need to be painted yet, and the wall color is hay. It's a very soft yellow. And then the cupboards are going to be painted in the color of the baseboards, which is called tallow. I had blue in mind, but I want to keep it simple, and I want to give it a pop with maybe the little breakfast table. I'm going to paint like an odd color, and I don't know yet. So we'll have to be in here, and then I can decide. This was going to be my plant shelf, and we had a few people over on Sunday afternoon to come and have a look, and Tessa's friends, and they brought a bottle of champagne to celebrate, and we were all standing around here and looking at this huge space, which is only gonna have a couch and maybe 2 chairs and my own little TV there and a yoga mat. When I do yoga, I will pull out my yoga mat. So we decided to get 2 bar stools here and make this a little wider so that you can sit and sip and chat and be social, you know. I think it's great because that's what happened last Sunday. We stood here for about an hour chit-chatting. So that's great. And then this is a trap door that Glenn is very proud of, and so he should be. He took one of the existing doors, right, and refurbished it on this side. And then it's going to be with a trolley hung up, and I don't know exactly. He's got a whole plan for it. But we have a pretty functional basement. He's got a tool area there. We can do his farting around. I shouldn't call it that because it's serious. He does some serious, beautiful stuff. But anyway, a nice spot for him to do his own thing. And then this, oh my goodness, the protection layer came off when the cleaning ladies were done. And now it's like a huge TV screen. It's unbelievable. I can't, oh, I'm so excited. It's like it's Christmas for me, really, or my birthday. That's how I feel. So many nice things. Ooh, it's a hot one again. So the new thing is that we had a yellow magnolia on hold because we didn't want to plant it, but it's been planted last week. It's going through a little bit of shock, but trees do that, right? When they're just planted. I've been watering, and it should be wonderful. So we can see it from all the windows here. And like Krista said, this is her favorite little area of the house, and it is lovely. I absolutely adore it. This is going to be our barbecue little area just to have a coffee or sip a glass of wine. This is nice because it's in the shade. I don't know what time it is now. It's 3:30 and it's shady already for quite a while, I think. Yeah, because of this gorgeous tree. And then when it's hot, this is lovely to sit here. All ground cover I'm going to plant, and cannot wait actually for me to start perusing and finding what should go where. And yeah, I'm really looking forward to that. Okay, let's go to the front. Ta-da! So this is what the landscapers who have done an unbelievable job. We showed them our plan. We saw this in the Netherlands in a square in front of a historical museum, and it was similar to this. And then I am going to get a nice perennial that will be green all year and little white flowers in the spring and berries maybe in the winter, but it will be a little ball, right? A little ball. And then the flagstones are amazing. I love them, and they picked really different colors for us just to keep it more interesting. This is also, I like this. This is nice. It's not sand. It's not big gravel. It's that fine gravel. We have wrought iron fences ordered. It's going to be a gate there to the pathway. And then the fence is going here up to the front door. That one will be replaced. We had to order them, and the waiting, it's about 4 weeks. So about 2 weeks ago we ordered them. So they should be in 2 weeks, and then we can complete this whole gorgeous area. This, of course, is where all the dogs walk by and they all pee everywhere, especially on your lovely planted ground cover. But I heard that there's a crown cover that is dog pee resistant, or the dogs don't like it. So I'm going to have to research that. I haven't had time yet. And then that will be planted all along up to the front. We need a front light for the front door. We need a mailbox. And then in a few weeks, Glenn is going to finish restoring the front door. And slowly but surely, it's becoming a house. And it feels like that. It's starting to feel like that. Okay, lovelies. Well, I hope you like this unexpectedly long tour. I thought it was going to be a snippo, but there's so much to talk about. Ask me questions. I got a great question from Mary Lou. You asked about Sharon Ball, which I have a love affair with, this paint company. And I'm going to address it on the next Couch Talk. Okay, lovelies, thank you and enjoy your day and keep smiling.